What's the story behind this issue with Congressman Reviste?
There are two developments. The first is the ombudsman investigating the congressman for allegedly flipping the company, which owns his franchise for the microgrids without getting congressional franchise. And the second one is the 24 billion pesos fine being imposed by the Department of Energy. Solar Philippines, again, is another company that is owned by the congressman, and that is the one that is being fined because of 12,000 megawatts worth of capacity that has been committed but was not completed the past 2 years. As far as SPNEC is concerned, of course, the projects, I think 3,500 megawatts worth of solar energy, are scheduled to come online in 26 and 27, so they shouldn't be fined for that. And I think finally, what's also important to point out is that Terra Solar Project, which is part of SPNEC, has a power supply agreement with Meralco, which is independent from the government. So given that the DOE cannot cancel any contract, or cancel the contract between Meralco and SPNEC for the power supply agreement, and it cannot say that you can no longer operate.